drama of man against the unknown, a gamble with death to pick up an airman by a plane in flight. Courageous volunteers risk their lives to make this test, the first of its kind. Slow motion cameras show how the airman is whisked off the ground and swept skyward by the rescuing plane. The human pickup offers an escape lifeline for airmen stranded where a rescue aircraft can't land. Another volunteer helps Empire scientists to keep ahead of the enemy in air combat. This airman is fitted with recorders to indicate his blood reaction, his brain and heart waves in this test with a flying suit designed to combat the dreaded Gs, which produce mental blackout when maneuvering at high speeds. Sudden changes of direction increase the action of centrifugal force on pilots, many of whom black out at 5G, or 5 times the normal pull of gravity. To test the airman's ability to fire at a moving target under G conditions, and also test his physical and mental reactions, the mechanism is set in motion with the exterior lights out, so that the airman does not get dizzy. Blood pressure readings are taken, and when the almost Wellesian contraption stops, a recording machine has marked all the airman's reactions of mind and body on a chart. Okay, let's go. This time it's the real thing without the anti-G suit. Subjected to 5G, the airman's cheeks and chin sag. He blacks out. His answers to the observer's light signals are made by pushing a button under his thumb. Getting into the suit looks a bit like a dressing room in the 90s. But once laced and buttoned up and the suit filled with air, he will continue to answer the light. "5G for 5 seconds. No blackout." Now water is put into the suit for the final test, and this time the airman is able to take 7G for 5 seconds without once blacking out. Here we have seen scientific brilliance applied to war purposes. Today's laboratory experiments are the everyday things of tomorrow.